Join us as we find out if we can have a safe taxi ride around Cebu City using the Grab app. Did you know that ride-hailing apps like Grab can significantly enhance your safety while traveling around any city? Check out this hectic traffic we arrived to on October 14th, 2024 at 6:23 p.m. in Cebu City. We exited the safety of the series bus terminal in Cebu City, Philippines, and people were attempting to flag down very few passing taxis. I told my wife to relax, go to the CR, and I will order us a Grab taxi. In this video, you'll discover how the Grab taxi app provides a safer and more convenient way to navigate any city where it's active. Not only for newcomers and tourists, but even with long-time residents like us, especially in a dark, chaotic environment as you will see in Cebu City, Philippines. Many people worry about their safety when using public transportation or taxis in unfamiliar cities, and Cebu City is no exception. Unfortunately, there are many taxi scams in the world today, and in an unfamiliar city, you also won't know the safest route or even what is a fair fee. The Grab app takes care of all those worries for you. With the Grab app, you have the option of specifying what size of vehicle you want to book. You will see the guaranteed total price up front at the time of booking. You will get to see real-time tracking of the vehicle after you book it, as well as the driver's photo and name, make of the vehicle, color, and license plate number, verified driver ratings, and even cashless payments, including the safety of adding a tip on the app if you so choose and don't want to use your cash, which is what I did on this trip. Finally, you will know all this information before getting into the car. All these factors contribute to a safer ride experience and peace of mind with no surprises. To me, that alone seals it for me. Grab is the only way to go. Are you familiar with Uber? Uber left the Philippines in 2018 and bought a 27.5% stake in Grab. So you will see many similarities, including ease of use. Nope, I top up my Grab app using my bank account and my credit card. But you can also top up the app when your driver arrives. Simply tell your driver you'd like to top up your account. They will accept cash from you and top up your app to the amount you desire. Simple and safe if you don't have access to the other top-up means. Come on. I'll show you how easy the Grab app is to use. I easily book the Grab car by identifying our hotel and confirming the pickup spot, which the app identified as I was standing right in front of a famous donut franchise, fighting my cravings. Grab saved the day. It quickly arrived and swept us away from the traffic chaos in front of the bus terminal. We arrived safely at our hotel in a clean car driven by a courteous, professional driver.
Wow. Hey, hello. Maayong gabi. Ay,
Before we end, guess what else the Grab app is great for? Ordering food from restaurants and cafes, shopping, express delivery service, and much more. So when we arrived at our hotel on this trip, we were too tired to go out. We ordered a tasty meal on the Grab app and it was delivered right to our hotel. In summary, Grab offers various features aimed at ensuring passenger safety and protecting your budget in 2024. Please don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out other videos for more tips on safe travel in Cebu and anywhere Grab is used. Stay safe, umping, take care. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this next video. I hope you like it also. When are you visiting the Philippines?